Hi, Lucas.
Hi.
Congrats with the award.
Thank
So I found the information, it's really interesting that you had interviewed like more than 50 different CEOs and CTOs from the different banks.
Yeah.
It was only like in the United States or across the world?
Across the world, when I started the company, the clear goal was to bring AI into the banking sector to
Mm-hmm.
solve real problems. And if you want to understand what the real problems are, you need to talk to the people who make decisions inside of banks. And so I talked to bank CEOs, CTOs, heads of operations, chief credit officers, chief lending officers, all the way up to walking into every bank branch in San Francisco and just talking. The reason why I talk to folks so much before building anything is because I wanted to understand
Market.
what are the big problems that you couldn't solve previously without AI that you can now solve with AI. So what I would build would be differentiated from all the solutions that already existed in the market, all the old technology that already is working in the sector and that is solving other problems, so that my software could solve problems that weren't previously solvable.
That's amazing. Yeah. Regarding to your answer, what approach did you take to get engaged with these people? Because I guess it's hard to get CTOs of the bank, but it's highly valuable
You
people to
would be
talk with.
surprised how many people will respond to a well-crafted LinkedIn message or email.
Okay.
But in general, the best way to get to one more person is to start with one and ask them for recommendations for whom to talk to next. So one example was one of the CIOs of one of the top 5 US banks came to speak in one of my Stanford classes. And right after the class, I went up to him, introduced myself, said that I previously worked in core banking software and I had a lot of expertise in the field, but I was exploring some novel ways of using AI to improve the way banks work on top of the legacy software or by replacing the legacy software. And because he was interested, we booked a 30-minute conversation. And after the conversation, I asked him, who do you recommend I should talk to next? And then he connected me to the next people. And I did that
Great.
with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different starting nodes of a network that then expands from there.
Amazing. Yeah, great strategy. You guys should learn.